Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a really different and exciting video. I'm kind of taking 3 different videos and putting them into one. As many of you know, I sometimes get a little behind on my uploading, so I really wanted to put this out there for a few reasons. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys all about my new book, Sweep, which is available on Amazon in Kindle or hard copy. So I'm going to give you guys a little background on that, as well as go over some monthly favorites, including some exciting new things I picked up at the Sephora sale, so I don't want to hold on to these too long before they become outdated. And I also want to talk about this awesome Sephora giveaway, just to say thank you for subscribing to this channel and being a part of this YouTube community. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. Roll the tapes. So about 2 years ago, I started writing this story called The Sweep, and The Sweep is set into the future. It takes place in the year 2084 in this place simply known as the Land, which is its own very distinct entity. And the story takes place around Felicity Alistair, a young, bright, but very neurotic girl who spent her whole life really following all of the rules that the agency has put in place. And this has afforded her a very prestigious job working for the agency. And Felicity has always kind of survived her days because of her friendship with Mitch Waters. And one day, Mitch asks Felicity to go on this secret expedition to this secret doctor to bring his father, Charlie Waters, home. Charlie Waters is sick with something, no one really knows what it is. And that's a huge problem in the Land. You see, the Land was formed as a means to protect its people from these astronomical healthcare costs. And in order to protect its people, the Land has implemented this risk rating process. So anytime you're sick, even if you have a sore throat or a cut on your finger, you have to be inspected by a doctor to confirm or deny your wellness, to determine if you can keep working or if you have to stay home, or if you have to be quarantined to this very mysteriously bad place called the Center. And patients can be risk rated low, moderate, or high. And Charlie has unfortunately already been risk rated low. And so Mitch had to find this secret doctor in hopes that Charlie can pass inspection and go back to work. And Felicity is like, "Are you crazy? I never break the rules. I don't even bend them. Why would you think that I want to come on this expedition with you?" And then she kind of thinks about it, and it's like, oh, well, Mitch is my best friend, and she starts to have compassion for his situation. So she accompanies him, even though she's very, very nervous about it. And the secret doctor, Dr. Fitzgerald Murdoch, is not only a secret doctor, but he's also a high-ranking agency executive. And this kind of makes Felicity even more distrustful of him. But she can't help but like him. She doesn't want to like him, but she likes Fitz because of his musical voice. In the Land, there really is only one voice, and that's the voice of the agency. But Fitz's voice is so distinct and unique that Felicity is very subtly attracted to it. But she vows to forget this night. She knows it was dangerous. What if the agency catches her? She could be fired. Her life could be over. So the next day she goes back to work, pushes it all out of her mind, and her supervisor, Liza Donut, sends her on this special mission to get notes at council. And she's really weirded out about this because only the very higher ups, the most important people at the agency, go to council. So why would someone in their first year of work be going there? And she goes to council and she kind of learns even more about this risk rating process. And she's even more disturbed, and she knows they really need to step up their game to save Charlie. But what's the most shocking thing of all is Fitz pulls her to the side after council and says, "Hey, I have this secret plan. It's called Project Export Analytica. It's designed to infiltrate all of the agency's databases, delete their data and their tracking systems, and implement this whole new government based on choice and freedom, and just completely abolish this risk rating process. I even want to develop these new medications that might save Charlie Waters." And Felicity is just like, oh my God, like this is shocking. Like there's no way she can do this. She cannot risk losing the agency's favor in her important job that she's worked so hard for all of these years. But the more she thinks about it, she realizes, hey, Mitch is my best friend. You know, if I join this project, we could save Charlie Waters. We could save other people. We could completely reinvent our government and change the world. and I'd even get to see fits every day, she thinks. But at the end of the day, that would be an awfully big risk, but maybe the biggest risk is to take none at all. So the sweep follows Felicity's choice to either commit to this project or not to, and to live with those consequences. So if you're interested in what may happen between Fitz and Felicity, if you want to know what happens to Charlie Waters, can they really change the world, or are they just a piece in the agency's game? Then I hope you will download my novel, The Sweep, available on Amazon in either hard copy or ebook. It's 99 cents. I would give it away for free if I could, you guys. But if I did that, Amazon would own the rights to it for at least 3 months. So, you know, pre-tax, I make like 30 cents per sale. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing it for exposure because I want to get this project that I've been so passionate about out there. And I really hope you check out my story. You know, you don't have to be a fan of sci-fi to like it. There's a heavy element of romance in there. Don't worry. And the story really does ask a lot of big what-if questions about what our country, what our future might look like if our government implements some types of legislation. But at the end of the day, it's really a story about a guy and a girl. It's a story about freedom and choice and growing up. So I hope you guys will check out my work and write me a review if you find it in your heart to help me out here. I love supporting all of you guys. Favorites, I have this is definitely going to be geared November, December time frame, winter, the holidays, all of that. So what I first picked up from the Sephora VIB sale, in addition to like my restocks and my Way shampoo and all of that, I picked up the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Serum. It's made with AHAs. It's a resurfacing night serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids, and I've only used it a couple times, but oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. It just makes my skin so plump, so hydrated, yet it calms my acne. My skin was breaking out really badly, and I used this for a few nights, and it just, even on the first night, just made such a difference. It's really gentle. I don't feel much of a tingle. I know on Sephora.com people reviewed this product and said it kind of made their skin tingle, but I noticed it very minimally. It kind of went away, and I think this is really good for sensitive skin because it just really decreases the redness in my skin. So I'm super impressed with that. It's definitely a pricey product, but I really liked it. Another thing that I really like is this Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum. Now, I am 24, so maybe that can tell you something about this, but I think it's always good to kind of start anti-aging skincare regimens young. I use this like around my eyes and on my forehead, and I definitely notice a difference with my skin. I notice much more of a burn with this retinol than with the Pharmacy serum. So this is just something I incorporated into my skincare routine that I have been really liking recently. A lip color I've been loving for winter and late fall is Huggable Love Beam from MAC. I got this on sale, so I'm not sure if this is still available, but I think just like a really bright pink is really nice for late fall, early winter, and then transitioning to that red lip for Christmas to be a little bit more classic. A shampoo I've been obsessed with is the Matrix Bylage. I think that's how you say it. And I really like the Full Bloom one. It smells really nice and flowery, really strong, and it's really hard for me to get good lasting shampoos for my hair. So I really like this one. It's more affordable than the Way. I just picked this up at Target, and it does a really great job of conditioning my hair but not weighing it down. So if you have finer, oily hair, I would recommend that. I've been burning my Leaves candle a ton. Actually, I had another one. This is my second one, which is why it doesn't look burnt. But this just smells like falling leaves mixed with cinnamon. Definitely try this out if you see these on sale, and save it for the next year. This is seriously like the best candle scent ever. I I really have a lot of skincare in this one, but I have pretty much only been using this Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel with hyaluronic acid from Neutrogena every day since my skin is drying out more in the winter. This is perfect again if you have oily skin. It doesn't hydrate you too much but gives you that moisture that you may lack in the winter. It's been so cold here. It went down to like 17 degrees last night. Ridiculous. Despite needing to be hydrated, I also do have the tendency to still break out for various reasons, and I really have been reaching for this Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor from Philosophy. I've had this for like a year now, and I still have a lot left. A little goes a very long way. Anytime I feel like I'm breaking out, just getting that awful feeling of a zit under the skin, I immediately put this on, and I notice such a difference in just really getting rid of the acne than if I didn't use this. So I always need to be reaching for that. And then finally, I do love this Too Faced Gingerbread palette. Kind of cliche, I know a lot of people have talked about it, but it's just really beautiful. Great color selection for every day as well as special occasions. So those are my favorites. Now I'm going to tell you guys how you can win a Sephora gift card. So all you have to do to win this gift card, once again, this is just to say thank you to you guys for supporting me, for subscribing. Those of you who have already subscribed and who are commenting on all of my videos, I'm just very grateful for that. I'm super happy with the direction of this channel. So it's kind of like an early holiday gift. It is a $50 gift card to Sephora or Sephora.com, and all you have to do to win is be subscribed to this channel right here, subscribe to my writing channel, make sure your subscriptions are turned on so I can give you credit for this giveaway. Comment down below what your favorite makeup, hair, beauty product, skincare product, any of that was for 2019, because I'm always looking for some good recommendations. And then please go over to Amazon and follow my author page. That's all you have to do there, is just follow my author page. Disclaimer, this giveaway is not in any way, shape, or form associated with downloading the sweep via Amazon ebook Kindle or hard copy print. This giveaway is to say thank you to you guys. If you download my book, if you write me a review, that has nothing to do with winning this giveaway. The reason why I inserted the sweep into this giveaway is because I am behind on filming, and because I want the novel to be exposed more to people, but so I decided to tie it into something like a favorites video where other people may search for it and, you know, get bonus content like learning about a cool new novel. But anyway, if you are my friend on YouTube, or you know, we've interacted with each other's videos and you decide to write me a review, just a reminder to be ethical, to be honest, to write with integrity, don't violate any of Amazon's policies. I always want to be cognizant of that. I am an auditor, and it's always important to follow policies because there are paying customers who might find my book on Amazon and they deserve a fair review of it. So just be honest, be ethical. If you hate it, say you hate it. I'm not going to be offended. I like honest feedback. It helps me as a writer. So if you hated it, if you didn't connect with the characters, if it was just totally over your head, totally out there, you can say that. But if you loved the characters, if you were interested in Felicity and Fitz's relationship, tell me that too. So just give me your honest feedback. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel and being a part of this YouTube family. Best of luck with this giveaway. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys for sticking out to the very end, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!